are watching The Urban Consultant. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a millionaire in the metaverse. In the metaverse, you can buy land, you can build houses, you can create almost anything. So we're going to talk about NFTs and how to program these NFTs so they are usable in the metaverse. So let me first take you inside the metaverse so that you can understand exactly the process of how this works. We are here live right now. You can make thousands of dollars in the metaverse. However, you need to understand exactly on how to do that. This technology is still new. Currently, there are people selling NFTs online making millions of dollars, and you can do that as well. So for an example, here is an NFT. However, it is programmable. So if you're someone in the metaverse trying to make money, you have to learn how to create these NFTs, but make them usable as well. You can pay people to create NFTs for you. And then after you create the NFT, you can make the NFT programmable to make a lighter light. Also, what if you want to drive a remote control car or see it in the sky? You have unlimited opportunities to make money in the metaverse. What if you decided to build guns? You can do that as well. You can be the first one to do it. But why will people buy this? Why are they so interested in the metaverse? Well, let me let you in on a little secret. The elites have something big planned for you. They don't want you to live in reality. They want you to live in VR, virtual reality. The owner, Elon Musk, who owns Tesla, is working on a system called Neuralink. Neuralink will be implanted on your brain, and this will allow you to enter the metaverse.
Action show. Elon Musk and his team at the neurotech startup Neuralink believe that their electronic brain-computer interfaces could make this possible. Described as fitbit in your skull with tiny wires.
A fitbit in your skull with tiny wires.
But how does it work? Simply put, Neuralink is a technology that can help humans interact with machines using their brains. Neuralink wants to make the installation of your brain-computer interface painless and quick, as easy as LASIK surgery. To install the Neuralink, a tiny piece of skull is removed and the Neuralink is slotted in to sit flush with the skull. Since this process needs to be extremely precise, the Neuralink team has created a robot specifically for this procedure. The entire process could take less than an hour while you are under partial anesthesia. The electrodes translate these signals into an algorithm that a computer can read. In its early stages, it could allow control of basic devices like a computer and other smart devices to stream music directly into the wearer's brain and extend the range of hearing beyond normal frequencies. Just like Neo in the Matrix, you would be able to download skills into your brain.
So now that you know the big plan is to bring everyone into this matrix, now it's time to figure out how can you make millions of dollars from this. You have to get in on this early. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a tutorial so that you can know exactly how to create these NFTs and get ahead of everyone else before it's too late and you lose out. So we're going to start this off like this. For those that don't know, what is an NFT? An NFT stands for non-fungible token. More or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. For example, a Bitcoin is fungible. Trade one for another Bitcoin and you'll have exactly the same thing. A one-of-a-kind trading card, however, is non-fungible. If you traded it for a different card, you'd have something completely different. At a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but its blockchain also supports these NFTs, which store extra information that makes them work differently from, say, an ETH coin. It is worth noting that other blockchains can implement their own versions of NFTs. NFTs can be anything digital, such as drawings, music, or even your brain downloaded and turned into an AI. But a lot of the current excitement is around using the tech to sell digital art. NFTs are designed to give you something that can't be copied. Ownership of the work, though the artist can still retain the copyright and reproduction rights. Just like with physical artwork, To put it in terms of physical art collecting, anyone can buy a Nike print, but only one person can own the original. A well-known creative artist by the name of Beeple sold an NFT for $69 million. There are multiple ways to start making money in the metaverse selling NFTs. You're not just limited to digital art. You can design anything. However, if you're someone who is less creative and don't understand how to draw and use 3D animation, you can use this website, Fiverr.com, and hire someone who can create 3D animation objects and images for you. You will first need to come up with a creative idea, then hire someone who understands how to do 3D animation, and they will create the 3D animation for you. The reason why I'm suggesting you find an artist who understands 3D animation, because when someone is in VR or the metaverse, you want them to be able to walk around the object and still be able to see it 360 degrees. However, most NFTs are artwork. They will be placed on walls, so they may not need to see the entire 360 degree view. However, I recommend finding someone who understands 3D animation so that the object is visible in any direction. Once you create your NFT, you can find a developer to help you program the NFT so that people can hold it within the metaverse. But it depends which metaverse you will be hosting this NFT in, because every metaverse is different, and the way people grab objects in that metaverse, you may have to hire a different developer for each metaverse that you choose to host your NFT in. But moving forward, once you create your NFT, the next thing that you want to do is go to a website called Wearable. Now, in order to use Wearable, you need a MetaMask digital wallet. A MetaMask digital wallet is going to allow you to sign up with Wearable. Wearable is going to turn your 3D animation into the NFT, but you need MetaMask digital wallet first. MetaMask is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. You're going to need a MetaMask wallet in order to deposit the cryptocurrency to create this NFT for you. There's a couple ways for you to install MetaMask. You can do this from the Google Play Store, from the iPhone Store, or from the Google Chrome browser on the App Store. Once you install the MetaMask wallet, you're going to create an Ethereum wallet. Once you have Ethereum connected to your MetaMask wallet, although you may not have money in your Ethereum wallet just yet, what you're going to need to do is go to Coinbase.com, connect your bank account, and purchase some Ethereum. This will allow you to transfer money to Wearable's website and turn your 3D animation into an NFT. This is how easy it is to start creating NFTs and make money in the metaverse. As I said before, do not limit yourself to just NFT artwork. Try to design things such as plants, homes, land, gardens, things that people won't expect. Find a niche that someone isn't doing already. The metaverse is like The Sims. You can make millions of dollars and everyone wants to be a part of it. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. If you need any consulting, make sure that you contact me in my email below or hit the Instagram link and contact me on a DM. If you need help with advertising, marketing, any type of promotion, creating or selling NFTs, make sure that you contact me there. You have a choice today. You can take the red pill, you can do absolutely nothing. You don't start creating NFTs and you're guaranteed to make nothing tomorrow. Or you could take the red pill, learn from the resources that I share with you today, and become a profitable NFT seller tomorrow. The choice is yours.
Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.